And for our second best middle blocker, wearing jersey number 5, still from Negros Occidental, Algeria Caratao Jr. Congratulations to our best middle blockers. Now let's proceed to our best opposite hitter. This award is presented to the athlete who consistently delivered powerful right side attacks. And this award goes to jersey number 1 from Team Silay, Elmo Mesa. Next award is the Best Libero. This award is given to the player who demonstrated exceptional defensive skills and ball control. The Best Libero is jersey number 8 from Team Negros Occidental, Anjo Romualdez. Next award is the Best Server. The Best Server award goes to the athlete who showed excellent serving performance and consistency. Our Best Server, wearing jersey number 2 from Team Dumaguete, Anton K. Huli. Next award is the Best Setter. The Best Setter award goes to the player who skillfully orchestrated the team's offensive plays. And this year's Best Setter is wearing jersey number 11 of Team Negros Occidental, Cedric Von Dale Dilina. And now, the most awaited recognition, the most valuable player of the secondary boys volleyball. This is, and also, the finals MVP player of the game. This is given to the athlete who demonstrated exceptional performance, leadership, and impact throughout the tournament. And our most valuable player and the best player of the game of the finals is jersey number 3 of Team Negros Occidental, Christoph Piquerio. Gentlemen, our MVP. And last award is the Best Coach. This is given to the mentor who guided their team with excellence and leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, the Best Coach goes to Team Negros Occidental, Sir Gilbert Pandoy. There we have it. Please requesting our individual awardees to please have a photo up with our tournament director, Sir Janice Zamana, and of course, Coach Roger Benzoe. performed excellently in their respective positions for our volleyball secondary girls. Let's start with our first best outside hitter. Our first best outside hitter goes to jersey number 6 of the Bacolod City, Rosvian P. Almendralejo. Can we give her a round of applause, everyone? Palakpakan. Up next, we have the second best outside hitter. And this award belongs to jersey number 4 of Silay City, Angel Chanel El Guiche, the team captain. Up next, our middle blockers. First best middle blocker. We have jersey number 18 of Bacolod City, Brianna Nicolas C. Ang, the team captain. And another best middle blocker, wearing jersey number 12 from Bacolod City, Silver Faith B. Bangiao. Now for our best opposite hitter. Our best opposite hitter is wearing jersey number 2 of Bacolod City, Alexa D. Bertolano. Next award is the best libero. The best libero is wearing jersey number 14 of Bacolod City, Lucius C. Vivero. Congratulations. And for our best server is wearing jersey number 2 from Tanhay City, the team captain, Elithea Times A. Pinanona. We have the best setter award. The best setter goes to jersey number 4 of Bacolod City, Generous Ambula. And now, for the best player of the game and the most valuable player, our MVP, wearing jersey number 6 of Bacolod City, Rose Mian P. Almendralejo. Palakpakan natin, ladies and gentlemen, our MVP, Rose Mian P. Almendralejo. And now for our best coach. The best coach goes to Team Bacolod City, Coach Romel T. Caninias. Our individual awardees, please have a photo op together with Coach Roger Valenzuela, together with round of applause to our outstanding individual athletes. Congratulations. Now let's proceed, ladies and gentlemen, to the awarding of our volleyball secondary boys. First, to our third placer or our bronze medalist. Our bronze medalist for this 2026 Niraam Volleyball Secondary Boys. Congratulations to Team Dumaguete City! Team Dumaguete City is represented by Bulldog National High School athletes. Jersey number 1, Liam Luces. Jersey number 2, Anton J. A. Cooley. Jersey number 3, R.D. Chanel B. Sorpito. Jersey number 4, Michael Beante. Jersey number 5, Cyril Oro. Jersey number 6, Jeriel Oro. Jersey number 7, Liam Patrick Corsal. Jersey number 8, Arian Esper Paracuelias. Jersey number 9, Josh Steve B. Longa. Jersey number 12, Al.J. A. Villas. Jersey number 13, Gregory Gabriel T. Pinaral. Jersey number 15, Alan Howard Gomez. Jersey number 17, L. Yoman L. Sayer. Jersey number 18, Clint Adrian Dugaduga. And jersey number 19, Prince Ronan E. Ablong. Head coach, Ma'am Elaine Daisy L. Rodidel. And their assistant coach, Mr. Chomo J. Ator. Palakpakan natin, ladies and gentlemen, our bronze medalist from Dumaguete City. Congratulations. Up next, for our silver medalist. Congratulations to this year's silver medalist. We have Team Silay City. Our volleyball secondary boys, Team Silay City, is represented by Daniel Monserrat Lopez of Memorial High School players. Jersey number 1, Mesa Elmo. Jersey number 2, Villarreal Bernie. Jersey number 3, Manobaines Nash. Jersey number 4, Nipelia Chauncey Jaden. Jersey number 5, De La Serna Hero. Jersey number 6, Delisola Rich Joseph. Jersey number 7, Lalutan Tilang Das. Jersey number 8, Valenzuela J. Jersey number 9, Bapilar Marco. Jersey number 12, Obando Lester John. Jersey number 11, Rivera Raven. Jersey number 13, Ratia Lawrence Benedict. Jersey number 15, Yusa Ibonel. Jersey number 17, Cañete Jared. And jersey number 18, Kaalin Christian. Head coach from Ella P. Masino. Assistant coach from Jennifer L. Rosas. Congratulations to Team Silay City. For the king of the volleyball court for secondary boys. They will be representing our region to recording Palarong Pambansa. Ladies and gentlemen, our champions, the gold medalists from Team Negros Occidental, represented by Morsha Open Bible Christian Academy Incorporated. Jersey number 1, Caporaso Team Iron. Jersey number 2, Coronado CJ. Jersey number 3, Niquilio Cristo. Jersey number 4, Aurelio Elton J. Jersey number 5, Caratao Algerin Jr. Jersey number 6, Villa Carlos Luigi. Jersey number 7, Sevilla John Michael. Jersey number 8, Romualdez Anjo. Jersey number 9, Heronda RJ. Jersey number 11, Delina Cedric Bondale. Jersey number 12, Nipa Joel Jr. Jersey number 17, Zaragoza Alexander. Jersey number 18, Guadalupe Ruby Ashley. Jersey number 19, Lizada Kim Adrian. And jersey number 13, the team captain, Barrientos Justin. Head coach, Sir Gilbert C. Tagoy. And assistant coach, Sir Romero Borromeo. Ladies and gentlemen, atong palakpakan, our champion, the gold medalist from Team Negros Occidental.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of our SDS of Negros Occidental, Dr. Julito Pelicano, CC. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir, and welcome to our awarding ceremony for our volleyball secondary. Once again, congratulations, team. Congratulations. Up next, let's proceed to the awarding of our our bronze medalist. Congratulations from Tanhai City, represented by Tanhai National High School. Their players are jersey number 12, Aginit Sarah Angel May. Jersey number 4, Bako Chulaita. Jersey number 10, Kapkaban Rinalin. Jersey number 6, Kandaydai, the Lazy Maries. Jersey number 16, Kalumpang Kate Louise. Jersey number 8, Gahi Bethany. Jersey number 11, Lerazan Sue Aldi. Jersey number 1, Montero Charmaine Nicole. Jersey number 2, the team captain, Pinadona Elite Dimes. Jersey number 3, Saloma Joyce Ann. Jersey number 5, Suela Fiona Grace. Jersey number 13, Rosales Jesselyn. Jersey number 9, Coble Shallow Andrea. Jersey number 15, Torres Edo Monique. Jersey number 7, Torayan Marian. Head coach, Sir Jerry Nino Bisario. Assistant coach, Sir Reynold Tablo. And the chaperone, Ma'am Lady Rose Bisario. Congratulations to Team Tanhai City for making it to the podium and bringing home the bronze medal. Thank you so much. Once again, congratulations. Up next, for our silver medalist from Team Silay City, represented by Donna Matsuran Lopez, Memorial High School. The players are jersey number 4, the team captain, Pichi Angel Chanel. Jersey number 3, Katanga Marie Torres. Jersey number 7, Ronald Alcaya. Jersey number 17, Montero Riza. Jersey number 14, Tagwan Anika Reyes. Jersey number 11, Imperial Anika. Jersey number 1, Paris Dwayne Alexa. Jersey number 9, Articolo Noella Everett. Jersey number 2, Lisana Isaac Brianna. Jersey number 18, Mermam Aisha Gale. Jersey number 5, Severino Alea Angelica. Jersey number 10, Guasena Rain Genevieve. Jersey number 19, Bawa Pina. Jersey number 8, Solis Althea Shane. Jersey number 20, Agon Alme. Head coach, Ma'am Rosaline Ebro. Assistant coach, Sir Ermi De La Santa. Chaperone, Ma'am Kay Hadendon. Congratulations once again to Team Silay City. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Silay City for bringing home the silver medal. Thank you so much. And now, these years Abraham Padilla and the chaperone from Julian Samonte. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to the queen of the volleyball secondary court. From Team Bacolod City, the Bacolod Taytun High School. Again, they will be representing our region, the Negros Island region, for the upcoming Palarong Pambansa. Congratulations, girls, and we hope that you will be able to bring home the crown back to the NLL. Once again, our champions! Congratulations to the Warriors of Apollo Taytun High School together with their coaching staff. Requesting all the technical officials to please proceed here in court number 1 for the group photo.
Ma'am, sana ka ba? Eh! Ma'am, hindi ka nakitalon. Ma'am?
Finals, what will be your game plan moving forward?
Before we speak about game plan, we have a lot of things to polish and we have lots of things to further look into so that we can reach the nationals and we'll be preparing for the tour.
How would you describe your game so far?
Our game was very light and I'm very grateful for my teammates and for my coaching staff and for also the supporters for making this game something new to us.
Rihanna, we would want to know, anong sekreto nyo gid, especially, few hours before the finals?
Before the finals, actually, we speak about we're really close because all of my teammates are being open, so we know each other, and we've gotten a lot of rest, good food, and good support.
What's your message sa mga naperde sa siningayin ng Pang Diri sa Antonia first ever Nira Amit?